Hello everyone, this is how you could use Litematica in Minecraft Bedrock. The first thing you want to do is get a structure block. You can do this by doing / give your name structure block. Next, you go to the edge of your build. So you go right here. This is the edge of my build. As you can see, I place it down. Now, I recommend doing it, it's just going to be easier if you do it around here. So then it fills in there. So now you're in this screen. You're going to want to count how many blocks this is going to be. I also do recommend, of course, to do it like that. So now, you don't get the ground. You won't get this, but I'm just going to get rid of that. Now, you go, and you got to count how many this is going to be. So, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, right here, for the X, we're going to be putting 10, and boom, right there, that's 10. We actually go to 9. So I'm going to go to 9. And I'm going to guess that the other one is also 9. Oh, that's the wrong one. But I think C is probably also 9 or something. Alright. It actually has to be 10 for this one. This only goes up to 64, by the way. Be warned about that. So now, since this is 9, 10, we have to go to 11 here. So now we go to 11. And as you can see, we have the entire build. Actually, we don't. It was actually 10. So now, I'm going to set that to 10. So it's going to be 10 by 10. As you can see, it's filling up the entire part. Make sure it's filling up the entire thing, because it won't fill it up for you. Now, you want to name the house. I'm naming it House 111. Now, you have to press save, and then you have to export it to your device. Just like I'm doing right here. I'm not sure you guys could see this, but I'm going to press export, and I have exported it. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make it into a Litematica. Now that you're in this website, it's going to be linked in the description. You want to press upload file, and then press the name of whatever you named the thing. So as you can see, it's here. I do recommend, if your game can't do whatever, spawn it, like can't load it properly, that's gonna lag out. I recommend turning off spawn animations. I'm gonna turn that off so it isn't so laggy. I recommend to like change anything else like here. You could change tint, game controls, any of this. Now you want to go to resource packs right here. You can also name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it like house. Yeah, so I'm gonna also put my name. So why not? And then yeah, this is my epic house. This is my epic house. Just like that. You don't need to put that. I don't really care. Now you want to go here, and then want to go generate pack. So this is gonna run for a little bit, and as you can see, it is here. This is the entire house. It may also show this, but I don't really think that matters that much. And yes, this is the entire house. I actually did not put the bottom of it, but whatever. And yes, if we zoom in, everything's in there. And I mean everything. Some items might not be there in item frames. Also, windows might be the wrong way. So I'm going to go download the pack, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in-game. So I've imported it into my game. This is how you put it on. First you go, and then you go to settings, go to global resources, and then as you can see, it's right here. This is the other one that I showed you guys in the beginning. So we're going to activate it, and you can see it is here along with all my other things. So now let's get into the game. So now that you're in your game, you want to place down the armor standing. You can do this anyway. So for example, I'm going to do it over here, so it's facing this way. Now, one cool thing you could do with this is with the stick, you could either go a layer by layer, just like that, or you go to survival, like I am, and now, when you hit it, it moves it back. As you can see, just keeps moving back until you can't do it anymore. So now this is the HoloPrint, or Litematica thing. I don't really care what you call it. And now, you want to get any block. It's kind of in the ground right now. That's because you have to put it just like that. Now it's not. So you want to get, it could be any block, it just fills it in, but this is really just something to show you where to place the blocks. I think this is really useful. I'm gonna start using it, you know, make bigger builds easier. Like I said, this could only go up to 64 by 64 blocks, so be wise of how you section each part off, or you could just like somehow get it. I'm not sure how to make it larger, but it's regularly 64. So thank you guys for watching, and this is how you make Litematica things in Bedrock Edition.